Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment and Redbox Entertainment have entered into a definitive agreement under which Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment will acquire Redbox. The combination of Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment and Redbox will create a leading independent, integrated direct-to-consumer media platform delivering premium entertainment for value-conscious consumers. Redbox has announced that it will be merging with another company, creating a massive content library, more than 38,000 kiosks nationwide, extensive digital capabilities in AVOD, TVOD, PVOD, and FAST, and access to millions of targeted customers. This will give Redbox a much-needed foothold in the content industry, as they will be able to produce and distribute more content more easily and target their customers more effectively. Together, the combined companies will have the industry premier, independent AVOD platforms, one of the fastest-growing segments of the overall entertainment industry. According to a recent study by IAB, ad spending on connected TV platforms increased 57% from 2020 to 2021 and is expected to increase another 39% this year.